The objective of this chapter is to provide the best possible information for creating a channel description for a cash cow channel on YouTube. In this chapter, we will discuss the importance of a well-crafted channel description and how it can attract and engage viewers. The target audience for this chapter is users who are interested in starting and learning about this business. Before going on, welcome to our channel. Make King Money help us in this new big project, unlock your financial potential. Our mission is to show the best methods to create your own online business. It is an immense world, full of pitfalls and also of notable opportunities. You too deserve to find, manage and grow your business. What will finally make you feel serene and free? Subscribe to Make King Money now. Activate the bell icon to stay updated on upcoming videos. Let's going on. Understanding the purpose of a channel description. Explaining the role of a channel description in conveying the value and purpose of the cash cow channel. A channel description is a brief outline of the type of content that is published on the channel. It appears on the channel page and in YouTube's search results. It helps viewers understand what to expect from the channel and can be used to explain why they should follow the channel. It is an opportunity to showcase the value proposition of the cash cow channel and communicate the benefits that viewers will get from watching the video content. Highlighting the importance of a clear and concise description to capture the attention of potential viewers. The first 100,150 characters of the channel description are super important. YouTube shows that 100,150 characters snippet next to the channel in the search results. This is the first part of the description that people will read, so it is important to communicate the channel's positioning right off the bat. A well-written channel description can also convert visitors into subscribers. Using keywords in the channel description can help the channel's YouTube SEO. In summary, a channel description is a crucial component of a cash cow channel on YouTube. It plays a vital role in conveying the value and purpose of the channel to potential viewers. A clear and concise description that showcases the value proposition of the channel and communicates the benefits that viewers will get from watching the video content is essential to attract and engage viewers. Additionally, optimizing the channel description with relevant keywords and phrases can improve the discoverability of the channel. Key elements of an effective channel description. To all aspiring content creators, are you ready to unlock the secrets of success on YouTube? We present YouTube Secrets, the ultimate guide to building a cash cow channel. Don't miss this game-changing opportunity. 26 chapters with strategies, software needed to develop your business and much more. Don't waste any more time and seize this opportunity. Get your copy now and start your journey to financial freedom. Find the link in the description below. Let's going on. Formatting. Use lists and paragraphs to organize the channel description in a clear and visually appealing manner. Break down information into bullet points or sections to make it easier for viewers to read and understand. Concise and informative. Keep the channel description concise and to the point, while providing enough information to give viewers a clear understanding of what the cash cow channel is about. Highlight the unique selling points and value proposition of the channel, showcasing what sets it apart from others in the same niche. Use language that is engaging and captures the attention of potential viewers. Target audience. Identify and understand the target audience for the cash cow channel. Tailor the channel description to resonate with the interests and needs of the target audience. Use language and tone that appeals to the target audience, creating a connection and encouraging them to subscribe. Call to action. Include a call to action in the channel description, inviting viewers to subscribe, like, comment, and share the videos. Encourage viewers to engage with the channel by mentioning specific benefits they will gain from subscribing or watching the content. Keywords and SEO. Incorporate relevant keywords and phrases in the channel description to improve its visibility in YouTube search results. Conduct keyword research to identify popular search terms related to the cash cow channel's niche and include them strategically in the description. Optimize the channel description for search engine optimization, SEO, to increase the chances of attracting organic traffic to the channel. By following these key elements, you can create an effective channel description for your cash cow channel on YouTube. Remember to format the description using lists and paragraphs. Keep it concise and informative. Understand your target audience. Include a call to action, and optimize it with relevant keywords for better visibility. 2. Optimizing the channel description for search. Incorporating relevant keywords and phrases. Conduct keyword research to identify popular search terms related to the cash cow channel's niche. Include these keywords strategically in the channel description to improve its visibility in YouTube search results. Use keywords that accurately represent the content and value proposition of the channel. Avoid keyword stuffing and ensure that the keywords are naturally integrated into the description. Enhancing search engine optimization, SEO. Optimize the channel description by following SEO best practices. Use the target keywords in the title and meta description of the channel. Write a compelling and concise meta description that accurately summarizes the content of the channel. Include relevant tags and categories that align with the content of the cash cow channel. Consider using tools and software that can help analyze and optimize the SEO of the channel description. By incorporating relevant keywords and following SEO best practices, you can optimize the channel description for better visibility in YouTube search results. This will increase the chances of attracting organic traffic to the cash cow channel. Remember to conduct keyword research, strategically include keywords in the description, and follow SEO guidelines to enhance the search engine optimization of the channel description. We strongly advise you to take advantage of this opportunity. In YouTube Secrets, the ultimate guide to building a cash cow channel. You will find everything you need to have a solid foundation and start your own successful business. It's a long journey ahead of you. I hope for you that it will be full of satisfaction. To do this, you have to start in the best possible way. Click on the link in the description and grab your personal copy.